What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be taking a look at the KW Studios KW003 and KW004 upgrade kits for the SH Figuarts GT Goku. Let's jump in. And here we have the star of the show. We have the SH Figuarts Goku from Dragon Ball GT. And to start, we're going to go ahead and go over the KW Studios KW003 upgrade kit for this figure. So, bringing into frame, let's scooch him back. We're going to take a look at some of the accessories that pack comes with. Number one being the Super Saiyan head sculpt, which looks quite nice. So this faceplate that he's got is just the smirking one, getting ready to just, deliver the whooping. And it's not bad. I really do like it. It's quite nice. The kit also comes with the Super Saiyan 2 head sculpt. This off to the side looking faceplate. Much more spiky hair. And I really do mean spiky. Like this, gotta watch yourself with these points. Very nice line work. The kit also comes with 2 additional faceplates for both the Super Saiyan 1 and 2 sculpts. So we have the teeth gridded one right here, as well as the yelling doing the Kamehameha. Very nice. And set this off to the side here real quick. 1 additional faceplate for his base form, as if he's going grade 8 form right there. So speaking of which, let's go ahead and just pop that faceplate in, see what it looks like on our figure. Okay. Come on. There we go. And it looks really good. Here's a closer look. Fits nice and smooth. No gappage. Very nicely done. I like this a lot. The kit also comes with a swappable crotch area for the figure, which has a little hole. So I've already gone ahead and swapped it out. But it does have a little hole on here. That way you're able to go ahead and port in the tail that it comes with, which is a golden tail, might I add. And let's see if we can get it in there. Boom. And now you have that upgraded version of Goku, which honestly, he should have had this to begin with. The SH Figuarts should have released him with the little hole in the kit itself. Kind of goony that they didn't do that and they threw it with the GT trunks, but whatever, whatever. This guy has it now. So yeah, kit number 1 is quite solid. So let's pop this head off, bring it to the side. Let's put on the Super Saiyan 1 head sculpt right here. Pretty nice. I like this a lot. Let's take this off. Super Saiyan 2. Very cool. That looks very good on him. And they go on there with ease, don't impede the articulation at all. So I am a fan. Now, one thing that I wanted to point out, and I'm going to bring it into frame in a second. I did receive the demoniacal fit Super Saiyan 4 Goku, which that figure comes with its own Super Saiyan GT Goku head sculpt. And I was messing around with the 2 sculpts, so let's do a comparison between the 2 of them real quick actually. Super Saiyan 1s. Very different. Very different sculpt. Coloration throughout. I honestly prefer the one that came with the demoniacal figure, but they are both solid. And if you happen to have both of them, I did try this. and the KW Studios ones fit on the demoniacal fit head sculpt. So there you go. You would think they're backwards compatible, let's put it that way. But let's take a look. So here's the back side to both the plates, very similar, but when you try to put the demoniacal fit one into the KW Studios head sculpt, it just doesn't really want to go in the same. So you can get it in there, but it's going to be protruding, it's going to have gappage, it's going to look kind of funny. But again, KW Studios works just fine on the demoniacal fit. So let's go ahead and put the yelling one on this one right there. And that looks really good. So you have options. If you happen to have the demoniacal fit Super Saiyan 4 Goku kit, the KW Studios ones, and the GT Goku to begin with, you have a lot of mix and matching that you can go ahead and do, and that is always fun. So let's go ahead and move this aside, pop in the base plate back into the Super Saiyan head sculpt right here, move it over, and let's go over kit 004. So 004 also brings a tail. We have the standard brown tail, which ports in just fine as well, just like the golden one. Easy peasy, right there. And this kit is the Super Saiyan 3 head sculpt. And this is insane. This is a very big piece. You have some swivel action right there, rotation in one segment, then you have the middle as well. So you're able to get it to look very flowy. And it is very, very spiky. So got to be careful with that. You have 4 total faceplates. Number 1 being the off to the side, angry faceplate, if you will. You also have the cocky smirk, naturally. Very nice line work with these as well. Teeth gritted. And the yelling one. It also comes with a pair of pointing / instant transmission hands. So let's try the hands real quick. Let's pop off the right one. Very tiny hands. And that is a tight fit, but it goes in. The color is a little darker than the rest of the skin itself on the figure, but not very noticeable. So yeah, those pop in just fine. They just are a little snug. Dang, even getting it out. So you might want to heat this up a little before trying this. Now the head sculpt itself will fit in as well, of course. Boom. But as you would expect, it is very back heavy. So this figure will not stand on his own. You will need to use a stand of some kind to go ahead and get him posed up, but it looks really cool. Now when it comes to the faceplates for this sculpt, I will say some of them fit better than others. So the one he comes with out of the package, this looking off to the side one, looks really good. Not a lot of gappage going on right here. I did notice when I was trying to mess around with the, I think it was the yelling one right here. This one was giving me a bit of a hard time staying flush. Maybe now it's a bit more snug in than earlier. Nah. Yeah, it kind of pops out a little bit to this side. So again, you may want to heat it up. That way it's able to fit a bit better, but looks amazing regardless. So there's that. I'll pop this really cool ape face on him. And with that, let's wrap it up. So when it comes to the KW Studios KW003 and 004 upgrade kits for the SH Figuarts GT Goku, I'm gonna say they're solid. They're gonna bring that extra oomph to the figure. And that's not to say that the figure did not originally come with a whole bunch of accessories to begin with, because he does, but they are going to elevate him. You're gonna have head sculpts for Super Saiyans 1, 2, and 3, 2 different tails, several face plates, and it's just gonna be a lot of fun with just, having him displayed or even for photography. So with that being said, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below. You can check out my Instagram at gojiboy93, where you're gonna find photos of these head sculpts, as well as several other Dragon Ball figures in my collection. Thank you so much. Until next time, see ya.